iPhones are amazing devices, but they're also expensive. That's why it's important to avoid making any mistakes when you're buying one. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 10 most common mistakes that people make when buying an iPhone 15. I'll also tell you how to avoid these mistakes so that you can make the best decision for your needs and budget. So, without further ado, let's get started. Mistake number 1, not knowing your budget. iPhones can range in price from $699 for the iPhone 15 to $1,599 for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's important to set a budget before you start shopping so that you don't overspend. Consider how much you can afford to spend on a new iPhone each month, including the cost of the device itself, as well as the cost of a service plan and any accessories you may want, such as a case and screen protector. If you're on a tight budget, you may want to consider buying an older model iPhone or buying a refurbished iPhone. You can also save money by buying an iPhone from a carrier or retailer that is offering a discount or promotion. Mistake number 2, not considering your needs. Once you know your budget, it's important to consider your needs. What you want to use your iPhone for. Do you need a lot of storage space, a good camera, a long-lasting battery? Here are some things to consider when choosing an iPhone 15. Screen size. The iPhone 15 is expected to be available in 4 different screen sizes: 6.1 inches, 6.7 inches, 6.1 inches Pro, and 6.7 inches Pro. Choose the screen size that is most comfortable for you to hold and use. Storage capacity. The iPhone 15 is expected to be available in storage capacities of 128 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, and 1 TB. Choose a storage capacity that is large enough to store all of your photos, music, apps, and other data. Camera system. The iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max are expected to have the best camera systems of any iPhone, but even the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus are expected to have excellent cameras. Battery life. All 4 models of the iPhone 15 are expected to have long-lasting batteries, but the iPhone 15 Pro Max is expected to have the longest battery life of all. Mistake number 3, not comparing models. There are 4 models of the iPhone 15 expected to be released: the iPhone 15, the iPhone 15 Plus, the iPhone 15 Pro, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Each model has its own unique features and benefits, so it's important to compare them all before you make a decision. For example, the iPhone 15 Pro Max has the best camera system of any iPhone, but it's also the most expensive model. The iPhone 15 has a smaller screen and a less powerful camera system, but it's also the most affordable model. Mistake number 4, not buying from a reputable retailer. When you're ready to buy an iPhone 15, it's important to buy it from a reputable retailer. This will help you ensure that you're getting a genuine iPhone and that you're protected by a warranty. Some of the most reputable retailers to buy an iPhone from include Apple retail stores, carrier stores, and authorized Apple resellers. Avoid buying an iPhone from third-party retailers, such as online auction sites or flea markets. There is a higher risk of buying a counterfeit or stolen iPhone from these types of retailers. Mistake number 5, not getting insurance. iPhones are expensive devices, so it's a good idea to get insurance for them. This will protect you in case your iPhone is lost, stolen, or damaged. There are a number of different companies that offer iPhone insurance, so you can compare plans and rates to find the best one for you. Some things to consider when choosing an iPhone insurance plan include coverage. What does the plan cover? Does it cover lost, stolen, or damaged iPhones? Does it cover accidental damage? Deductible. How much will you have to pay out of pocket before the insurance company covers the cost of a replacement iPhone? Monthly premium. How much will the insurance plan cost per month? Mistake number 6, not setting up your phone properly. Once you have your new iPhone 15, it's important to set it up properly. This includes creating an Apple ID, setting up your iCloud account, and installing security updates. You can find instructions on how to set up your iPhone 15 on the Apple website. Here are some additional tips for setting up your iPhone 15. Create a strong password for your Apple ID. This will help protect your iPhone and your other Apple devices from unauthorized access. Enable 2-factor authentication for your Apple ID. This will add an extra layer of security to your account. Set up your iCloud account. This will allow you to back up your iPhone data and access your data from anywhere. Install all available security updates. Security updates help to protect your iPhone from known vulnerabilities. Mistake number 7, not using a case or screen protector. iPhones are made of glass and metal, so they're susceptible to damage. To protect your iPhone 15, it's important to use a case and screen protector. There are a wide variety of cases and screen protectors available for the iPhone 15, so you can find one that fits your style and budget. When choosing a case, look for one that is made of a durable material such as silicone or leather. When choosing a screen protector, look for one that is made of tempered glass. Mistake number 8, not updating your software. Apple releases software updates for the iPhone on a regular basis. These updates include security patches and new features. It's important to update your iPhone 15 software as soon as updates are available. This will help keep your phone safe and secure. To update your iPhone 15 software, go to Settings greater than General greater than Software Update. Mistake number 9, not backing up your data. It's important to back up your iPhone 15 data regularly. This will help you protect your data in case your phone is lost, stolen, or damaged. There are a number of different ways to back up your iPhone 15 data, including iCloud, iTunes, and third-party apps. To back up your iPhone 15 data to iCloud, go to Settings greater than iCloud, greater than backup now. To back up your iPhone 15 data to iTunes, connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes. Click on the iPhone icon in the top left corner of the iTunes window. Click on the Summary tab and then click on the Backup Now button. Mistake number 10, not using iCloud. iCloud is a cloud storage service from Apple. It allows you to store your photos, music, documents, and other data in a cloud. iCloud is a great way to back up your iPhone 15 data and to access your data from anywhere. To use iCloud, you need to create an Apple ID. Once you have an Apple ID, you can sign up for iCloud on your iPhone or on the Apple website. That's it for today's video on the 10 biggest mistakes people make when buying an iPhone 15. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. Also, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of the iPhone 15. Are you planning on buying one? If so, which model are you getting? Thanks for watching.